Hey guys, today I want to show you that how you can embed videos, after that YouTube videos, beside the YouTube videos, photos and GIFs. Okay, so having a very professional README file in your GitHub repository make a huge difference, especially when you are applying for freelancing jobs or applying for your first job. So I'm gonna show you to how to do all these in one video. Okay, so please stay tuned. This is a repo that I'm gonna use, and I will share it down below. Okay, so what you do is that you just go to your readme file and press the edit. After you press the edit, so the editor will open, right? So the next thing that you do is that you are opening your assets, and after opening your assets, what you do is that you just drag them. Okay, so this one is a sample of picture. Okay, so if you go to the preview, you can check in the preview that how does it look like. Okay, so this one is a sample of a GIF. So for this one, I'm using Giphy. Okay, so you see it is already showing there that how to do the things and so on and so forth. The next one is a sample of a video. So this one, it take a while to upload. This is how a video it will look like. So for this one, I have another video to show you that how to show a video with a thumbnail. So this one have a little bit of trick. So it is out of the scope for this video. However, you guys can go check that video if you are interested. And the last one that I want to show you is a short. Okay, so unfortunately, if the size, if it means that if the dimension is not correct, okay, so if you see this one is a short, okay, so if the format is not correct, it means that it is rather than, for example, being horizontal, is vertical. Okay, at the moment GitHub cannot to render it. Keep this one in mind. So after you've done everything, the last thing that you're supposed to do, great job, you have to just press commit changes. That's all. So let's make it do. So now when you go to my repo, you see that all the pictures that just now we added is there. Thank you for watching. If you like the thing, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more videos like this, if you are interested, you can go check my channel as well. Thank you and have a great day.